Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'omugusi.
Mwana na indo mwancho murierero Ndizi TV koro kwegena kwande muna kwabire gukwego kimona so kubwate mirobero yonsi gitosenie kiga kya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo mugusi ndigo cyaragire cinse satochi abona mugoroba cinga kingo kwarigania SMS amaya iriyo kumenyimuna nara yana kwariganire asenchera ere yobwikiranu yendra watanyora asesemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asesemo ya YouTube watanyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bigase website ito wetera www.ndizitv.net iriyo togendre gusanga asobwa mori tangan ke imat gatranyore gatiari ngwarganire te asenchera ere yobinge.
The investigations are underway. Hiyo shule ya Endarasha ambayo ni Hillside Academy, kuna wale walioaka na kuna wale ambao wamekuwa admitted katika Nyeri Provincial Hospital.
Obo tukigo chaki wako bwatkana no mubasikano bwo murerase skuru ya Hillside Endarasha Academy me county ya Nyeri ko irero gosiria magima kwa barokiwa.
Hakuna mtu mmoja ambaye mimi nimeona other than vice chancellors and a few other characters ambao wanasema hii model ni nzuri. Unanimously Wakenya wanasema kwamba hii model ni mbaya.
Serikali kobori wakorigereria bogia umurobere bwo kubatuka kibesa Sechi University oyo taraisane kya banke.
The rationale of the bill lies in the constitutional imperatives of inclusive, participatory, transparent and accountable governance.
Obwasioku okobwatani wana boigo gosangereria birengero bya bananchi gocha koene kiwaso weti wa kwa machiko au ase serikali. Hayamana yanda manke ngo kwarigana tobeto gusanga mu wiko mwerio asenchera ere yobwikanere triane Evelyn Osero lide musinere to kubwatira na sensemo yebimanyerero na bigo Sara mumanyero ko eneki yachibicha niryo gicha wikere asenchera bene to chaka mayayo yechinsa isataso bwikana kurwa se county ya Kisii awasomuroberio bwoko barigania aborokiwa ase University ya Kisii obakogweka omwerio ritkoria rero yobere kogo korekana asaborokiwa bange babeire bakorikiwa iriyo kugenderea na masomo bo ase chikosi au gukwana omo vice chancellor bwe university yo Professor Nathan Ogechi nigo enekirie omubaro bwa boroke babere bawekira na skuru ina otana nigo etane tichiribu isano na ibere asatere na nigo bagochia kubwatrana na koenekia una aboroke wawe benyorere chinga kingi yacho kwenyorera amasomo bo ase university ya Kisii murikeito Mildred Momanye noroboti urwasobime.
Aborokiwa gwetania chiribisano na ibere nigo bariganirwe ase University ya Kisii na yengorengana no vice chancellor bu University you Professor Nathan Ogechi.
We had 7,700 students placed here. Out of those 7,700, including those who had deferred last year and the other years, we have received 7,329, and we have had a week-long series of orientation, and all programs in the university have received the students as was expected, and we are glad.
Okwana nabaliki ime university yoni go Professor Ogechi ainekiribuna serikali yaswananire no muruburi bwo kubalikia aborokiwa asekero yomo alikiwa ataligosabwa besa endeyonsi na gukwanira igoro yo gwa appeal ase okobekwa kibandi kitabwenereti.
We are also most grateful that the government has supported the students. We have not charged any student any money. We have not turned any student who didn't have any money to give for their household contribution. And we have kept on talking to them about how the system works. We are glad that in the course of the week we had our colleagues from HELB and the University Funding Board come to tell them, especially those who felt that they were wrongly banded, on how they can appeal. And we are looking forward to having the results out in 3 weeks.
Amasomo ni gara chakelit kule Jumatatu ase Professor Gechi akire ababatani bonsi asukubatra nukuya wekirania omurobulyo yobuya naboigo omuchando bobomenyo boborokigwa abo no chekoera.
Meanwhile, we are beginning our classes. Lectures will commence here on Monday at 8 in the morning as we move to the climax of the year, which is a graduation that is coming on 17th December. We are happy about the support we have received from everybody, from the community particularly because we do not have adequate accommodation. The members of the community have been so good. They have provided accommodation. The students have been so good to assist their colleagues to settle down. And we also want to thank everybody, particularly our colleagues from the Ministry of Interior, for ensuring that we are all secured. Our major challenge will usually be a little bit in terms of accommodation because we don't have adequate accommodation on campus. We only can accommodate 500 out of the 7,000. But that's a problem that is not a serious one because the community around has provided the accommodation.
Na kubwatikana n'ingana ya University ya Nyamira ni Gechi atebire ikinege tambukire kiyagia serikali kubeka university yo na neche gukonya ase amangana ya kerero.
The Universities Act is clear. The government shall attempt to establish a university in each county, starting with the counties that have no university. So the people from Nyamira and other stakeholders have made a request, and the process of establishing the University College has commenced, and we look forward to having the Commission for University Education give us their report. No, there is nothing competition because if the university started, it will be under our mentorship. And when we mentor a university, we want to ensure that that university does not look like us. It will have a different character. And the character that we hope will come out eventually from that university is a university that is focused on technology.
Kulipotelea itaseni kia Ndizi TV, ilitaliane Mildred Momanye.
Miyamana omuriketo Mildred Mumanya se orobo tiororo kiranu abananchi nigo bagenderete gose miwakwebwatania nebyombe ao eriyo gosiria obogose gukora obutaka ase chingongo ao imbense ya Kenya bagokwana mo negati y'abananchi meye county ya Nyamira nigo babwatani beli shirika lya Shofco bakorawa na Kalen kwambuka babire bakwerera obuya bwebyombe nago goteba bunani go baragendere gose kuganya abantu kugendera kubeka omokia bokwebwatania ase byombe ao asentreye moyo kwegenderia na wekirania emerobero yabo ya kera litko ase chinga kichibabodria serikali kwerwa ogosira gocha se byombe byo ero kwene kyabuna abananchi abange babeire bawe konya omurikito Paul Kapokara norboti urasubime
bunenchireye moyo gusegeta abangina abasae abantu bali bamenyete no barema nabo igoko chinguru ebinyoro ikyumbeke iga kimanyekanite buna Shofco igo kigenderete gusegeta abananchi kwene kibunangweli kibarase byombe biragendere ko biko basira kira chingaki
asobotambe eliminating a shining hope for community
kama wawa yigere not mugira constituency in Nyamira county ngokora asina esulika ya Shofco igere yachakite 2004 asomo chunero byasichede koda cyabo kire so far Shofco igere asichi county 36
bakora wa muna Kalen kwambuka uyule omwigiri munene w'ekyombekia kurwa Sorongore county Nyamira amona Abel Ongeri kurwa se county ya Kisii nigo baereire obuya bw'ekyombekiga na boigo na marago ali omuntu abonete kubwatya chingaki akwibwatanya mone kyombekiga
waso Shofco you register with 200 shillings. You do monthly contribution of 100 shillings asense mo ya san une welfare
ena chira litukuria rero kuchiunga na bamintu banyamira gaiga asoko ena no moyo na gosemania ngakituranya rero kolega si ya Shofco asi county chibere egere tunyare kubwaterana sofuke bwate chi program chinyinge echigo chiachire ground egere chinyare go keyo botaka bore gaiga una bantu bwate youth programs and women programs echi twarete rugaiga una bagusi egere tunyare go keyo botaka
watakana muno musangerekano jiga obaletramo abananchi kurwase chinkongo ao imeye county Nyamira nigo baereire ubuya buli benyorire wekyombe kiga
korwere gotokonyere nabamurawe bisayo nanchi abakega toro twende chisukuru tokore chikosi chire atokonye rwa tukanya ko angaika para ega tukanya gukora chikondo chinkonguga tonyore akiri na maarifa ega twansero nyobwagachi
arafu share yao you start with 1000 koko na contribute egere ujuika end year na bokonyora kwanyorire benefits kurwa asese asikiriki yao
nigo basegetire abananchi bande kwibwatanya munekyombe kiga egekogera nkibakonya gukinya chiamate chiabo
twasomera mangana amange sofuko nengiyere nebwato bokonyi guchimotwe baminto gongo basaba bangina baminto bali muri sikalia mochi ungana na sofuko nebwata marora maye bintu nebinge birororo torasegeta nebuna abigorie bike abangina abasae nona bagaka abantu bansimbata ke irororo tachora tionde bwensi nona betari kwenyara sofuko yatange tionde yanje tekero monto
no mweli oye okugana kuokoboria kwa bange igoro yokwibwatanyamo nebyombe
aseri tukulia abantu akirega ari twatebibwe igara yekene na bali bamintu muralisi komoko na kuruta baraiya amagena ekene ngelinga sofuko nekoroteki nerororo na inde gento ngelinga totale ngekwancha abantu bali isiku twensta swase kombe ya sofuko because sofuko ene bwate obuya bwayo bongo chimoto
gatobwaterane abantu baito mucho inyororo elinde ensi yaiterabe munabona Nyamira yetu ndaiterabe kabisa kera barai baito baratobwatesia
era enarenge kubasaba barai baito kuruburugali na inimo tobwatesia so murubeli oyego shofuko zotat onyare ko bagukwene Nyamira yonsi na indi mutobwatesi asense meya magose yende na inimo aso imekero mwarorire abaga bakorire 1 2 3 na inu akina inu tema mwatobwatesia elinde elio tonyare ko batokonyora umwereke omuya kurwase muri na inu twabasabire mu bamo na intwe engaki asengaki elinde litogendera Nyamira yaitu
iginko reporter getaseni kya wanchete kya Ndize TV kurigase county Nyamira igonkorko polycap okara
Miamono muriketo Paul Kapokara se orobo tiororikranuni gochi amate chitayo chiria chitari kwenyara chigenderete kugokera obokonyo bagenderete kobwatokerwa na omusamari omuyaho yibigoro munchurere munene ase omuchobo songo manyekaine buna St Jude ukwana chinga kichoko babwatokera obokonyo bogatiabo obwagachi bwechinyumba St Jude nigabere gagoteba buna nagendere kokonya abali abekerengo yensikima asoko eneke buna nabara babere bakonyora bakonyora omogoko naboigo komenya kwegwa na abantu bande nigo chiyamatechu cyabere chikonyora obokonyi cyabere chikogokera egetambukiro ekyoke gimana kumwakira ngambya mono asiboigo bagenderete kuro kuboria gocyase abantu bomoyo muyako gendera wesokya na kuro obokonyi gocyase bali abatari kwenyara muri kito dipo nasanya namake
chiamate ao imeyorogongo gusi nigo bagenderete kwenyorera obokonyi kurasaba samaria bali no moyo bugwancha omunchorero yomo kurasa omucho bosongo asireta Magdalene Nyaboke manyikanite muna St Jude nigo abeire kagosioria omurubrio gusira chinka chirichira chintaka
oeterase ebisiga sanse seniri na inje nabeire ngo seseni abantu nabeire ngo konya baburaka nabeire ngo konya abantu bale HIV nabeire ngo menya ne chintakana na nabeire mono kwagachira ababuraka bali HIV chinyumba asenkonyara na pia nimbwate NGO ekoro kumwanya getinge ke and support initiative NGO eyo yabeire pia ke on support
gukwana negeta seni kya Ndize TV igabaga korera iganga yayane ne yamwiritere gochaka gusira chiamate chiga ase binyoro.
My sister niga arwarete HIV positive akaba HIV positive agakwa agatiga abana chintakana naende my step sister nera akarwara HIV positive agakwa ngamanya kororanjira ki turanyare gokonya abantu mpaka ngagende skuru gosomera HIV na nakonywa sana gwithira Kenya Red Cross na Global Fund ogosoma okubansometi na indi ninde able gokora counseling and testing as a family.
Abaiga ngati yabaria amagimabo abeire kagonchururia bune amate
bano mungina chakara mavira na bangorete nonya ng'ombe Kisumu ikira umagega esimule na kyo ng'ombe ya arwa igakwa ikino ng'ombe ya menyete wana agacha akara mavira akaroti gakore kitigambe kire nyombe nonya njusiga na yenda esabari nguchiko chamukamuro na karara nyomba nguchiko changanyora gonga kire siminga nyombe yabunu ibintu byeru byonsi piken na kende nkeyo bana ina bumungina rama vira akangura bintu bike nkarenta akacha gutinya stima nimbegete TV nambekerete
chinga kibagenderete kogokera obokonyi oboiga kurwa somo Samaria
mugakona asirete November 90 kurwabo ngati kuna abana 8 nekere na tikugabo nkabanta bwati kende gyonsi nkabande nselio kaigo ntabwati nchirende yonsi yo gukora kende gyonsi lakini rende Omusamaria omuya St George agacha kariere ria akarobo gimamenyete akarora muna maisere akambeka koboko tuamenyere nere miaka 27 tari kunyinyera muntu bono nabo turamonere nonya nari mwanya getinge ke and support
asibono babeire bakwiriria mbuya muno etari nekerengo asokonyorwa
igagitaganyora mete nyumba y'obunyasia akaroti gankonya kandi asiri nyumba umusiwati umuye sana akonyira abantu nango muserune sabo nyako bagenda nakonya
eba umunyina siseniwe ayendere komenterwa naenda endere gokonya nabandi buna konyire bali buna intwe
njogo ni kwane ngonya kura ni nyasambe yamono hanya komubeko agendere konya gotokonya buna endere gotokonya ano buruire boni gabondi etendware tenero agendere gunshira nara endere kundware
Niko ripotiria getaseni kiao na mbeja Mokiandizi TV kuru county ya Kisii letena na inkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Mjamano murikito dipo nasanya se orobo tiururu ikranu serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira nigegenderete komochi wako bwatkana nobo korerio bube bwogo tekrania amagendero bwenderete ase abananchi ayangorangana no seneta we kaunti yo Okongo Mugeni oyotere mnani gara gendere wekrania emeremo yaye yo kumurekera obokoreri we county ase kirenga yoko eneki abuna magendera berega korokana ase abananchi yani ago chamagega yo mugavana we county yo Amos Kimwamenyaribo ikirana bosyo bwebunke ye Senate eri kwiranaria amaborio igoro yobutumekibwe nibo ase serikali ya county
ikaro mwaka nyagara mahara araire mwana lyo ngota runga chiwe saija tometu chimilioni 18 abantu bachikokora mukutano Kisumu tingo da baba sakara nyari gara buya otebina bibi ndo nale ko abo bona ngaina asadi abo ni sa itiken ne bintu binde so moti dawa tabanga chibesa otoko de ucha tumegete 35 million lakini togo chikolire torachi achira 68 ore ninga de mugaba na ekero gocha kore ne bintu bunebi wacha ne bank statement ikera nyo no wakiri na relie sogete relie esoete abunisa litikenda bantomi ebina bingo kora uno mosene na bero tobauti nero yongo musabo mugaba ndanya kuchandika wataba ngoko ngabere ndabweka no oli okabere ngakera chumo gaitero bisi itali otokwani chinta idigo chio obisi anengo janake break saba na inchi na ira na nairo ama sakarate aba batumiete 1575 omodi toto tenge esaro jo mukutano bete chimine tichire na bantu baseineti yochire 1200 chio ona akirende chinde 300
Korigereria ria bireka okorekana isko yorogongo rwa Gusii go mubaskano bumurero bagokoenekiwa obutko bugokira rero ase skuru ya Ndarasha Academy eyego to Hillside Ndarasha Academy eyego toka ase constituency ya Kieni imeye county ya Nyeri akoirera aborokiwa wetani 15 gosiria amagimabo tingakia bande bagendrete konyora obowenia ase Chinyagetari nonyanabo nigo aborokiwa wetani emeronko etano nebere bataramanyikana ase bale wikabono ase miroberio yoko baliya gendrete korengana nabo bisakuru ase ensemeyo nigo abaiboli bagendrete kubwatwa namayanda manene asabanke babwatire no muichano munene bali bataranyora abana babo wikabono ase nonyana bo engora ya bene gendrete kuruiwa gochiase chiamate kubwatkana no mubaso kano yo kwana nigo mugabana we county yo Mutaikaiga abairega kwene kiabuna nachkwikira nimero berio emekerano asensemeyo gatiabo bwagachwe chibara erego konya seme basukano awa chinga kiabere kwene kiwabune yo chinga kiecho ni gaba bisakoro asensemo yo brendi babere bakwene kia obotki wemeke yima bwabere bogo chakiwa erio kumanya ekyo yachagetie omobero yo nabara yabagendera tegotuma amagombabo nigo bainekire na eserekari negendere gotenena neskuru yo chi amate namonoko yo sabera bali abagendera konyora obogwenia ase Chinyagetari obowenia wabwanko
yangu. Ndugu zangu, kwanza ni kutoa makiwa kwa wale wote ambao wameweza kupatwa na mkasa huu. Hili ni jambo ambalo limetugonga sana na tumejaribu tuwezavyo. Kama mnavyojua, magari yalijaribu kufika hapa, tukatoa mengine Nyeri, na tatizo za pengine la barabara na kidogo huenda zikawa hazingefika haraka vile tulivyokusudia.
The investigations are underway. Hiyo shule ya Ndarasha ambayo ni Hillside Academy, kuna wale walioaka na kuna wale ambao wamekuwa admitted katika Nyeri Provincial Hospital, na katika harakati investigation inaendelea kwa sababu nao kuna timu zetu zile ziko kwa ground, na habari kamili kipatikana tutawajulisha.
Government sent condolences to the school fraternity, that is the proprietors, the parents, the teachers, and even the surrounding community for this very painful loss. Condolences also to the people of Nyeri, and I want to say that this injury is not an injury to Nyeri County, it's an injury to the Republic of Kenya. The children who have been affected
Ritkolia rero nigo ebunke nene wetra somo klaki ebunke yo Samuel Njoroge abaga wekirania omoswada bugo sangirire birengere bya bananchi chinga kicho wetiwa kwa machiko yemerobero ao ase imeyense ya Kenya ase omoswado yobago wekwa bosyobo mwatoni General Dorcas Oduor okwana chinga kicho nigo Njoroge abaga kwerera egati yemerobero gose ali babere bagokwanera yokwene kiabuna abananchi babere bako bwatani wa chingaki amachiko ao yemerobero awetiwa ase eserekari odolniga baga koenekia abune merobere mekrano ainse ya bisiaeni goera chikobekwa asoko enekia buna kubwasyo ku naboigo oboene bwabere bokorokana ase emerobero yonsi yeserekari.
We are conscious that in the National Assembly there are about 4 bills now providing for the procedure for public participation. Those bills are drafted following requests by individual members and committees, and they are at various stages in the National Assembly. The Speaker of the National Assembly did instruct me as the clerk to look for a way of either harmonizing or drafting a separate piece of proposal that will speak to public participation, not just by Parliament, but also by the other organs in the in the national government, including the judiciary, of course, houses of parliament, and also the executive and its different organs.
This represents an important milestone in the legislative and democratic process. My office now assumes the responsibility of attending to the draft, the spruced version of which will in due course be returned for further vetting by the House. The rationale of the bill lies in the constitutional imperatives of inclusive, participatory, transparent, and accountable governance. We are called upon to further refine the draft with these principles in mind and taking into account all stakeholders' engagement and interests. On top of the list would be the jurisprudential match, which continues to enrich our draft.
Umukanyi b'umurayi wese Rigathi Gachagua igati abarayibande nigo baba wikirana ime ya Trans Nzoia asensemo ya Kitale asomunyega bwoko mwenya oyo kabeire omo CEO bw'ekyombegyo kurwanya mariogo yogotine mense ya Kenya kyanakada Victor Okioma ukwana tinga kyecho Gachagua nigabaga goteba buna obumo bwa Kenya nabura konya koreta amagendero tinga kyaruro kubolya wochase abarayibosi kwenekia buna babere bakoreta amo aba Kenya na oteba na obogesaku nigo burabe bokwirania ense ya Kenya magega Gachagua nigo chinga kyechabaka ukwaneregoro bagibwe kibesa ase serikali chech county na kuboria aba governor koba abatwera runo wanchirana kibesa kiriya kikubwa tkochaze serikali chech county asekeria terebuna serikali bono nigo ere ase gosenigera asumu chando bwe kibesa eryo kwenda kyabuna babere bawekirania magendero nabigo gwakana amadeni ayose ya Kenya bwate.
You cannot unite the country when communities are divided, when regions are divided. You first put your region together, then you reach out to other regions, then we have one cohesive country. So sisi tunataka kwa Kenya waungane. Wale wamekuja kutoka ODM tumewakaribisha. We have one united country, we work together. Because this is our country na tutasonga pamoja. But mimi nataka watu waungane across the country, and we'll continue uniting our people. And there's nothing we can do about that because that is what all regions do. Lazima mkate pamoja ndio muonekane mnajua ni nini mnafanya. Mambo ya pesa ya counties 400 billion tulikuwa tumepea nyinyi. Hii pesa ukweli lazima tuchukue bahali. Hakuna store ya serikali iko na pesa. Pesa tunachukua kwa kodi, tunapatia ma-governors. Wakenya wamesema kwa kauli moja hawataki finance bill, tumekubali. Sasa hii pesa tutatoa wapi? Itatoka wapi? The money is not there. Siku itapatikana mkuje nipatie nyinyi. Same day, ikipatikana asubuhi mkuje mchukue saa 8. As it is, we have a problem. Madeni chungu nzima. Mishahara ya walimu chungu nzima. So we have a problem.
Kwana tinga kechoni go mugavana we county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembeya abaga kubolia serikali kwane kya bunangoligerere boya umurobere obwo kubatuka kibesa ase chi university ase keria batere buna umurobere yobogo kubeko obwo kubatuka kibesa echo nigo otali omuikerano asaba Kenya asabange bataraywanjirana nigo bagendera tabana bakenya bange nigo bagendera koyokana ase keria nigo koundereria achiyamate chiria choko nyora wainse nigo bwigarure kubore uchase serikali kwene kya bude mirobere mekirano yo komenta aborokiwa ase junior secondary obeire go kubekwa iriwekirania ebirenke bya masomo ase chiskuru.
Wakati watu wanaongea maneno na wewe unasema wewe ni truthful person, tungependa pia serikali isikize watu. The government's opinion is not the only opinion. Sisi tuko huko mashinani na kuna shida. Upande wa masomo kuna shida kubwa sana. Kuanzia secondary mpaka kwenda college kuna matatizo. Saa hizi tunajua kwamba basic education takana kuwa free. Serikali imeweka fedha through capitation. Ilikuwa 22,000 per student, sasa inasikia imefika 17,000. Lakini hizo fedha serikali inaleta kwa mashule inafika mahali haisaidii watu kwa sababu pia walimu wetu wameweka pesa nyingine inaitwa pesa ya lunch. So hiyo shilingi 22,000 mtu anapoteza kwa sababu ya shilingi 5,000 mzazi hajapata kulipa lunch. Is it possible for our own government to enforce its own policies? Maana hata sisi fedha ambayo tunatumia wanasema at county tunapeana basari. Ile basari tunapeana ni fedha ya lunch. Hapa Trans-Nzoia tumeweka 150 million ambayo tunatupeleka shule kwa sababu ya lunch ambayo tungetumia kufanya mambo mengine. Kenda pale kwa ofisi yangu saa hii watoto wamejaa. I've never seen this. Kwamba watoto wanaenda university wote wamekuja pale kwa governor kwenda kutafuta karo. Sababu ya kitu inaitwa hii mpango mpya wa kupeana fedha katika wanafunzi wetu wa university. Hakuna mtu mmoja ambaye mimi nimeona other than the vice chancellors and a few other characters ambao wanasema hii model ni nzuri. Unanimously
abaraina bangi bono baikirana asomuyigo yobwa matanga gati abo bali senseme kwamiriria serikali gati abo mo senator bwe county ya Kisii Richard Momuima Onyonga Eugene Wamalo yorumuraibe kyama kya DAPK aseba bakoeneke abuna baraboni go baragendere gotigara koba asensemo kwamiriria serikali rikoeneke abuna babire bakwegerera abananchi asokoeneke abanyorere obosipole naboigo obwene bwabo togoska bosyo nigo serikali yagendera kubeka emirobire mekirano yokoenekya na obokoreri obuya bwabere bokoeneke wasaba nanchi anene ase chinsemo ao tikoria lero ni go muwaziri bobokoreri bwa serikali Justin Muturi abagakora egeikaro kyogo chora bana kamati abo barachiye gotenendera umurobere bwo kubachora aba commissioner ase ebyombe ao aba commissioner barachiye chora angamo nebyombe bikobwatya ekyombe gya getenerete mesare mense ya Kenya Salaries and Remuneration Commission ekiombe getenere tobokoreri bw'abanyanyimpo IPOA Independent Policing Oversight Authority ekiombe kia National Gender and Equality Commission NGEC naboigo ekiombe gya Commission on Administrative Justice CAJ okwana nigo Muturi abaga kugania abanyakomiti abo kwenekya nababere bakwene bako bose bako bwato komurobero yo asenchera ereyo bwasyo kunaboigo eyekene naboigo kwenekya bulango bachora bare aba commissioner ababwate obumanyi boigo barachiye kubwatoka obokoreri borobya asebyo mbebyo.
As you are aware, the Constitution established constitutional commissions and independent offices with the objective to protect the sovereignty of the people, and secondly, to secure the observance by all state organs of democratic values and principles, and finally, to promote constitutionalism in the country. Taking cognizance of these objects of the constitutional commissions, you have a noble responsibility of nominating the best candidates for appointment as chairpersons and members of these commissions. Remember that Kenyans have a high expectation from you and will be looking upon you to select qualified and competent nominees who are capable of discharging the mandate of the commissions as required, both in the Constitution and in the enabling pieces of legislation enacted to implement the constitutional provisions. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I want to assure you of the full support of this ministry in terms of provision of secretariat services and other logistical support which you may require in the discharge of your mandate as panelists. I wish you God's blessings as you embark on this noble assignment of selecting and giving the country commissioners in the various constitutional commissions. I would also urge you to discharge your respective roles with objectivity, integrity, professionalism, and confidentiality. Ensure adherence to all provisions.
Muchando bwoko butoka West Mastinsemo aomeyense ya Kenya ni gobere gokoene kiwa kwirira abananchi kwe murungania na boigo go turubane na gotenenia emeroberio ao okwana nigo omuwaziri wa mangana ye chinguro chyo murero pio wandayi abeire ga gusaba okwabira saba Kenya na kwerera egati yemechando heyo yaberege koene kiwa ACNSM yoni gaba gakuria ira yogo kya koene kya abuna emerobere mekirano yaberege kobekwa asoko eneki abuna muchando buno yuturgo chako eneki wanainde hagati yabo okochi yapo bwatana nane chi company chabantu nyene asoko eneki abuna chingurusha murero chabere chigotoka akera chinga kene kwana chinga kyaba kagotalira chiabisi chia Kenya Power elio komanya ninki omuchando abayigo kurya lichiburia bene.
I did direct the board as a matter of urgency and of course senior management to embark on institutional reform pathway and report back to the ministry on a number of areas which I will just summarize. Okay. One is on the area of improvement on operational efficiency, liquidity and balance sheet, to strengthen the institution and take it back to sustainable profitability. That we agreed, and we got very, very practical steps that the management and the board are going to take, and are taking already actually, towards that goal. Two is the implementation matrix, covering key projects and interventions with major impacts on the reduction of cost of energy to end users in the short and medium term. This matrix, of course, will include project challenges, resource requirements, timelines for completion, accountability, and expected outcomes. Three is on the area of technical and commercial loss reduction strategy, with timelines to reduce the current loss levels, which you know is about 24%. We're thinking if it can bring it down to the allowable level of 19%.
Orabotiro na rogotore tomoiro wa maya yechinse isato asenchera ere yobwikira no mancho muri rimbi mono asa yogendrete gotobwatia kurwa se chinsinyo Teresa Umbogo kurwa ase ensemo ya Riyadh City agoteba nagendrete gotobwatia mwalimu Elijah Ochenge kurwa St Catherine Academy Kyogenya koya gotatuko pamoja hadi tamati kila unyake zimbia mona soko gendrete gotobwatia Julia Kerubo kurwa chinsemo cha Bahrain Kingdom alaboigo omosori wege susu abatabanere nagendrete gotorigerere nabali mwese mwende totobwate TV chino tokubakira ngambia mono nyirabuna semero berionsi ya Ndizi TV na butambira bagotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube watonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bagasi website yeto nora tonyora wetera www.ndizitv.net ero togendere gusanga asubwamo ere triane Evelyn Osero uli atobwatira na sensemo imenyerero nigakuro kwa Lydia Muse na bayigo Sara Momanyi nero ne kiachipicha neryo gichawe keire asenchira bene twaro burigere boro bya semero berionsi botambe ime ya Ndizi TV na bayigo obutuko burabotohereru